Uber Eats doesn't distribute orders evenly across drivers. The system sends more orders to accounts that are closer to active restaurants, respond faster, and maintain consistent availability during peak demand. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why your orders slow down, what actually triggers more order requests, and how to position your account so you stay in the rotation more often. Uber Eats is not a random feed. It's a matching system that prioritizes speed and proximity. That means your location, your timing, and your app activity directly affect how many offers you see. First factor is location. If you're parked far from busy restaurants, you'll naturally see fewer requests. The app pushes orders to the closest available driver first to reduce delivery time. Being near clusters of restaurants increases your chance of getting first access to incoming orders. Second factor is timing. Order volume spikes during lunch and dinner hours, and during bad weather or local events. When more customers order at once, the system sends more requests to drivers in those zones. If you're online outside those windows, you'll see fewer offers even if you're active. Third factor is app activity. Drivers who stay online continuously during busy periods tend to receive more consistent flow than drivers who log in and out randomly. The system favors availability because it reduces wait time for customers. Now here's where most drivers lose orders without realizing it. Declining too many requests in a row can push you lower in priority, temporarily. The system needs active, reliable drivers who accept orders quickly, especially during peak demand. Next is positioning strategy. Instead of sitting in low-traffic residential areas, move closer to fast food clusters, shopping centers, and restaurant strips. These areas generate constant order volume, which increases your chances of being assigned something quickly after finishing a delivery. Another key point is wait time behavior. If you go offline between orders, you reset your visibility in the system. Staying active keeps you in the live pool where new orders are distributed first. Small adjustments like these matter more than trying to chase high-paying orders randomly. Most drivers assume fewer orders means low demand, but in most cases it's location and timing misalignment. To increase consistency, you want to stay online during peak hours, stay near active restaurants, and reduce downtime between deliveries. Quick recap: Uber Eats sends more orders to drivers who are close to demand, active during peak hours, and consistently available. Order volume is driven by positioning, timing, and system priority signals. Next step: pick one lunch or dinner window tomorrow, and stay parked near a busy restaurant cluster the entire time to compare order frequency. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more delivery app strategy breakdowns.